everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today we're going to talk about my new digital stamp, the coffee cart. So I have a digital stamp available. It's in the shop. You can print it out and create the card that I'm going to make today, and I promise you it's going to be a really quick, easy card to do. So you'll get a few files when you purchase this digital stamp. So you'll get one file that prints out a whole sheet like this, so you don't have to resize it. You can just press print. You can fussy cut out the images or run it through your Brother Scan and Cut. I have the Brother Scan and Cut, so that's what I do, and they cut out the images perfectly. You can chop this in half right here before running it through your Brother Scan and Cut, and then chop this out and chop this out. That way you can have these and run them through your, maybe you have dies that cut out sentiments. They'll fit in there, most of them. This is one from MFT, and I used that to cut this one out. Or you can just cut it out with your trimmer. And then you'll have this panel to either fussy cut or run through your Brother Scan and Cut, and then this large panel here. So I just printed it on regular copy paper just to show you, but you should run it through with your Copic safe paper. Now you'll also get another file of this image here. It's already put together for you. I like to print out 6 on a sheet. I think it's a nice size. You can make it a little bit bigger like I did here, and just change the percentage when you're printing. So if you're printing, say it's at 75%, change it to like 100%, or if it's 100%, change it to 110, and you'll kind of see where you want, how big you want your image to be. So I got a new toy and I am having so much fun, guys. I bought an iPad Pro for my birthday, and I wanted it so I could help me draw my digital images. So there's a lot of tools on there that are great for drawing, and I am having so much fun playing with that thing. So what I did was I drew up 2 of the cards using the iPad, and the program is called Procreate, and that's the drawing program. So this is the drawing that I did with pencil and pen on paper, and then this is the drawing I did on the iPad using clean lines. So you can see there's a little difference there. Then I found a different pen on the iPad. There's different pens you can use that kind of look like my style. A little sketchy, bumpier look. So then I drew this on the iPad, kind of using my style. So I thought that was really cool, but I don't know which one I like better. I definitely like clean lines. I definitely like the sketchy artist look that this gives. And then I like this one too. So I think this one is kind of the best of both worlds. You get the little sketchy artist look, but then you get more precise lines because it's easier to draw on the iPad. There's some features in there that help you with shaky lines and straight lines. So what do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? So we'll do 1, 2, and 3. You'll get all 3 of those when you purchase the digital stamp. So I printed them out so you could see. So this one is just a little bit smaller. You can make that bigger or smaller. This one is the same as this one, but this one I did 9 on a sheet, and this one is 6 on a sheet. So the more you do on a sheet, the smaller your image is going to be. And then I colored this card up on my iPad. So this is colored digitally, just so you could see that. It's just playing around with that. So these are all the images cut from the large sheet of paper. So this one you can build your own scene. So you got a couple of balloons you can put on there. Leave them on or off. There's a banner you can put down here. You can put up here. There's a little coffee machine. You can put that up there. You can put your drinks up there. Now I did a small size and a large size, so you can do your tall and your grande, or your grande and your venti coffees. And the same with these frappuccinos. Okay, so now I also did the donuts in different sizes, a larger one and a smaller one. That way if you want to stack one behind the other one, it looks nice stacked. And then the same with the little muffins. One's larger, one's smaller. And then these little dangly things, you can hang them off of the handle, hang them off of the cart on the ends there. So there's smaller ones and larger ones. Put them right there, hanging off the canopy. Okay, so build your own cute little scene. So I got my stack here, got lots to color. Can mass produce some cards there. So for the card, get out a hill die or cut it with your scissors and a grassy hill or grassy border, and I just pasted one on top of the other, and that's the size of my card panel here. My camera stopped somewhere and I'm not sure where, so what I did was I glued these two pieces together, this A2 size base and then a 1/4 inch smaller for this white piece. Get out a hill die and a grassy border die or cut it with your scissors to make the hill, and we're just going to add the grass to the bottom there just to ground our little cart. Bottom here, I'm just going to add this to the bottom. Okay, I got my A2 size folding card base here. And we're just going to glue this right on there. And that should fit perfectly. Let's see if I can get that lined up correctly. So I just recently saw a trick on someone's YouTube channel. Who was I watching? I've done it before, but sometimes I just forget to get out my MISTI. So just use your little MISTI here as a guide. Put that in the corner, and then put this in the corner. And that should line it up perfectly. So that takes the guesswork out of it. Right now I'm having a summer sale. You can use code SUMMERSUN for 15% off your order through Sunday. So you can grab this digital stamp at 15% off. Look how cute that looks already. So just add your colored image. So I put foam tape on the back of this so it could be popped up. Okay, now we'll just pop our image right in the center there. Well, let's make sure we have room for our sentiment. I'm going to press my cart down. Let's add our sentiment. Life happens, coffee helps. Isn't that true? I've been so busy lately, and I felt like I had some time right now to do some crafting, so I got my coffee, and I thought I'd just sit here, relax, and make a card. So isn't that cute? Now let's add some sequins because a card is never complete without sequins. We can also add some glitter or some glossy accents. That would be fun. Shine up the balloon perhaps. And my little nozzle, the pin got stuck in there, so now I have to pull it out like this. So I don't have that much control. But I want to shine up the donut glaze. I'm going to try to do that with this tip like this. The top of this bubble and the balloon. And then get my glitter brush pen and glitter up those hearts and the banner. Now I didn't share any coloring today. I didn't feel like I really did anything special to show you guys. I will show you the Copic marker colors that I used in case you want to use the same markers. And that will complete our card today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy card. Thanks for stopping by, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.